Hello and welcome to the Safe at Home tutorial from Stark Federal Credit Union. This video will show you how to get started using Safe at Home. Safe at Home is our internet banking program for the credit union. It's free to all our members. You simply need to sign up for it. So let's get started. Okay, I'm using Internet Explorer as my web browser today. You could also use Chrome, Firefox, Safari, whichever one you typically use. And the first thing we're going to do is go up here and type in the credit union's web address, which is starkcu.org. Now there's a couple different ways that you can log into Safe at Home. Probably the easiest one is just to click into this box and put in your account number. You could also go down here and click the Safe at Home icon. If you haven't signed up for Safe at Home, you can click here, and that would take you to an application that you could print out and mail in or bring in. Your other option is if you're using a smartphone, you could click this mobile phone access, and it would take you to a mobile website where it's specially formatted for your Android or iPhone device. Let's go ahead and log in here. The sample account that we're going to use is account number 1, and I'm going to click login. I'll put in the email address that we're using. Continue. Now it's going to ask for your password. This is the password that teller would have given you when you first signed up. It's just a temporary password when you're logging in for the first time. So we'll go ahead and type that in. Click login. Now we're at the member initial setup screen. Your current password will be the one that you just typed in, and that's just the temporary password. You'll want to click this recommended password guidelines and read that over. Basically what it's saying is make sure you come up with a password that you'll remember but no one else could guess. So names of family members, pets, co-workers, birthdays, anniversaries are not good passwords. You want to create a password that has upper and lowercase letters and also numbers and characters. We'll make sure this little box is checked here and type in our new password. Your confidence word could be any word you want. The purpose of that is when you go to our website to log in, it'll show that word, and that just helps reassure you that you are at the right website. Type that in. Now for the challenge questions. This is just some questions and responses that you can choose. You'll have a whole list of ones to choose from. But how big is your dog? My dog is tiny. Your pet's first name. Mine was Buck. Where were you born? Canton, Ohio. This is the one that seems to give some people problems. It is very picky on how you enter it. So it's going to be exactly how you enter it here on this initial setup screen. So if you log in later and it asks you where you were born, it's got to be exactly Canton, comma, OH. So if you put in just Canton or Canton OH without the comma or spell out Ohio, it's not going to recognize that. Here's our email address again. Make sure that's correct. Yep. And the last question is, it's asking if you are using your personal or business computer or a public computer. Now, if you're always logging on from home or your laptop, you can click this one. If you tend to log in from a public computer, like at the library or a hotel, or even at work, you may want to click this one here. I'll click Save. And now we're logged in. Now that we're logged in, you can see your accounts. We have regular-0, that's your savings account. Your shared draft is your checking account, and that's -9. If you had any other accounts with us, such as a Christmas club, vacation club, share certificate, that kind of thing, they would all show up here. Also, if you had any loans, it would show your loan balance and your next payment date. You could also pay your loan online if you don't have it automatically set up to come out. So you can see your balances, your account history, your account details. Let's try to transfer funds here. Let's transfer $60 from our savings account to our share draft. Again, that's checking. You can also have a check mailed to you. Continue. It'll ask to confirm the transaction. Savings checking, $60, transfer. And there we have it. So the money did transfer. You'll see on here under savings the current, which is $740, and the available $5 less at $735. That's because you always have to have $5 in the credit union, and that's your share in the credit union as part owner. If you closed your account, you would get that $5 back. Next video will show about paying bills, how to set up account alerts, text message banking, repeat transfers. We'll also show you how to sign up for e-statements, newsletter, download transactions. That's if you're using some kind of money management software. Of course, you can change your password, your address, member settings. You can change your challenge questions and your confidence word. And before you end, you always want to log out. So there it is. Thanks for watching.